When you walk into Home Depot looking for American-made hand tools, you're standing in front of something remarkable. 7 American-made brands sit on those shelves, and every single one has been forging quality in the USA for over a century. While countless manufacturers like Craftsman packed up and moved production overseas, these companies kept their roots planted firmly in American soil, employing thousands of workers and maintaining standards that put most competitors to shame. Home Depot isn't just any hardware store, it is the largest home improvement retailer in the world. They've built partnerships with some of America's most legendary tool manufacturers, many offering exclusive deals and special product lines you can't find anywhere else. Let's start with the Hammer King himself, Estwing Manufacturing from Rockford, Illinois. Back in 1923, Swedish immigrant Ernest Estwing founded this company and completely revolutionized the tool industry. He became the first person to forge hammers with the head and handle made from a single piece of solid steel. No wooden handles breaking on you, no heads coming loose at the worst possible moment, just one continuous piece of American steel. Every single Estwing hammer, hatchet, rock pick, and pry bar still gets forged in that same Rockford facility where Ernest started over a century ago. Today, Estwing employs between 250 and 300 people, and they source their steel exclusively from Nucor in Nebraska, keeping the entire supply chain domestic. Estwing's geology pick even became famous when Neil Armstrong used it during training for the moon mission. From the forge to the final frontier, that's American craftsmanship at work. And when the recent tariff wars hit, Estwing didn't budge on pricing because everything they make is sourced domestically. Sometimes staying true to your roots pays off in ways you never expected. Klein Tools. Next up, Klein Tools, the electrician's choice since 1857. Matthias Klein, a German immigrant, set up shop in Chicago and forged his first tool. Ironically, just half a pair of pliers. A telegraph lineman brought him a broken side-cutting plier. Klein forged a new half, riveted it to the old one, and sent the lineman on his way. That's how one of America's most respected tool companies began. Today, Klein Tools employs approximately 2,500 American workers across 6 manufacturing facilities in Texas, Arkansas, New York, and Illinois. Their signature product remains those linemen's pliers, the blue-handled side cutters that every electrician recognizes instantly. Their VP of marketing notes they've seen pliers last 30, 40, even 50 years. When you buy Klein, you're buying a tool that could outlast your entire career. Speaking of distinctive colors, let's talk about Channellock and their iconic sky blue handles. Founded in 1886 in Meadville, Pennsylvania, Channellock has remained family-owned for 5 generations. In 1933, their chief engineer developed the concept of multi-position tongue and groove pliers. They called them Channellock and received patent protection in 1935. Today, Ryan DeArmond, representing the 5th generation of family ownership, puts it perfectly. If you make a living using tools, you have a Channellock blue grip tongue and groove plier in your pouch. They employ over 330 people in Meadville and manufacture more than 75 types and sizes of pliers. They're celebrating their 140th anniversary in 2026, a remarkable achievement in today's global economy. Leatherman. From the Pacific Northwest comes Leatherman, the multi-tool master, founding in Portland, Oregon in 1983. Timothy Leatherman and Steve Berliner created something entirely new, a capable, easily portable hand tool with multiple functions. What started as one man's idea has grown into a company employing 600 Oregonians, all working from that original Portland factory. Since 83% of Leatherman's components are American-sourced, They qualify for Made in the USA certification. They do all manufacturing and assembly in Portland, and they stand behind every product with a no questions asked 25-year warranty. Crescent Whisk. For Aviation Snips, Crescent Whisk goes back to 1848, once the world's largest producer of shears and scissors by 1914. Today, their Whisk next generation Aviation Snips are manufactured in Lexington, South Carolina, maintaining that long tradition of American metalworking excellence. Midwest Snips. Midwest Snips, operating out of Sturgis, Michigan, since 1945, has been the go-to choice for HVAC professionals for over 80 years. Known worldwide for their American-made aviation snips, Midwest continues to innovate in sheet metal cutting tools from their facilities in Michigan and Ohio. Mayhew Steel Products. For precision work, there's Mayhew Steel Products from Massachusetts, the oldest punch and chisel manufacturer in the United States, with over 160 years of operation. They use American-made steel to craft hooks, picks, scrapers, and screwdrivers that meet the demanding standards of professional tradespeople. Husky. Even Home Depot's house brand has American heritage. Husky, founded in 1924, gets manufactured by several American companies, including Western Forge and Apex Tool Group. Every Husky hand tool comes with a lifetime warranty. You don't need to spend premium prices to get American quality. Finally, Stanley FatMax tape measures. But pay attention here. Stanley makes both USA-made and imported versions, and they are not always clearly marked. The single $25 USA-made FatMax gets manufactured domestically, while the 2 for $25 versions are imported. Always read the label carefully. These companies represent something bigger than just tools. They represent American manufacturing resilience. They've survived economic downturns, global competition, and changing markets by focusing on quality, innovation, and the skills of American workers. When you choose these brands at Home Depot, you're not just buying tools, you're supporting American jobs and a tradition of craftsmanship that spans generations. They're proof that Made in USA isn't just a label, it's a promise of quality that stood the test of time.